Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to simply set up streaming on Kick on your Streamlabs OBS. Now, like I've said in my previous video where I talked about the pros and cons of streaming on the platform, one of the things that is a con is that there's no integration with Streamlabs OBS just yet. But this is currently the best way you can really set up to stream on Streamlabs, or from Streamlabs OBS to Kick. So obviously first, go to your settings and go to stream. Now, I'm currently logged into my Twitch account because obviously depending on which platform you are currently streaming on, and you want to keep those Streamlabs, well, those settings or overlays that you've recreated and spent time working on to make your streams look a lot better, use that account to actually start streaming on Kick, because then you can keep those overlays for the Kick streams. But go to stream type and change that to custom server. Now once you've done that, there's going to be two things you have to get from the Kick website, which is the URL and then the stream key. Now to get all this information, you go to your Kick account on the website, go to your profile and click on create a dashboard. Now obviously on create a dashboard, you'll see your chat, your mod actions, activity feed, and everything you really need to know about streaming on the platform, and just seeing all the things you can do. But this is not going to be the most important thing at all, because we need to go to the settings to get the stream key. So once you got to the stream key, you got to copy the first thing, which is the stream URL. Once you copy that, just go back to your OBS and replace the current URL that's in the place, and then paste in the current stream URL. Then next, copy your stream key, but of course if the stream key is a bit faulty, just reset the stream key. It's very simple to get, but copy it and then you gotta paste it right here at the stream key. But that should be it for setting up the streaming. Now for most of you that do want to know what's the recommended streaming bitrate for Kick, well, on Google it does suggest at least up to 8,000 kilobits per second. But for me, I like to make sure I'm a bit over the recommended stream bitrate. So for me, I put it at 12,000 kilobits per second. Obviously, depending on your Wi-Fi, depends if you are able to go a bit higher than the recommendation. But just for my comfort, I go for that. But that should be the best way you can set up streaming on Kick right now. I would show about how to set up overlays, well, not overlays, but alerts for Kick. But you have to use bot-rigs, which can take a bit of a longer process to set up. But yeah, that should be everything you need to know about to stream on Kick. It's very straightforward to do. And yeah, hopefully this video has helped you guys out. And I will probably do more tutorials like this very soon in the future. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button down below. Helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, hopefully see you guys in the next video. Be safe as always. Have a great day. Bye.